Hey guys, for another video. In today's video I will show you how you can increase your sales on Redbubble by giving you tips that make the platform loves your designs and push them on the first pages, and sometimes they will promote your designs. So let's get started. First of all, you must know that all POD platforms work with same algorithms. One of those algorithms called trust score, and you have to take care of your trust score if you want to make more sales and more organic sales. You must make the platform loves your designs, and if you want to do that, you must do a lot of things to higher your trust score. And I will mention just 3 tricks in this video, but if you like it, just tell me at the comment section. I will do a full tutorial about how you can increase your trust score and make more organic sales. So the first one is you must avoid anything about copyright and trademark problems in your designs, and never steal designs of other people, because you not lower the chance to increase your trust score. Also, you might get suspended from the platform, and you must remember that this business is for the long term, so you will upload designs of other sellers and you will probably make some sales, but you must expect your account will suspend it for any moment. So the first thing you must avoid it is copyright and trademark issues, and you can watch this video if you want to know the easiest and faster way to check the copyright and trademark for any idea on internet. The second is don't put the description the spam keywords like hurry up or discount or any word similar. Make the customer confused about buying, because you don't own the platform, you just upload designs. So you must talk about your designs in the description, explain the details of your design, not scam the description. And I noticed some people that write in the description, this is a special offer only today. Also some write get yours now and benefit from 50% off. And I see this mistake a lot on Redbubble, and Redbubble don't give 50% off, so you try to make the customer buy your product doing these big mistakes. And when the robot detect these spam words, they hide your designs and bury them in the last results on the marketplace. And because of that, you deprive yourself from organic search and organic sales. The third is you want to get more sales, you must make your first sale. This is confused, right? But I noticed this with my beginning, because I work hard for the first sale and I would try much to get it. But when I made it, I remember I get more sales in the same month. And also the majority of my designs start optimized in the first pages when I search for them, and my friends also notice this. So you must make the robot loves your designs, because you never expect you will get daily sales at the beginning. After you have the first sale, the robot starts suggesting your designs and give the chance of your designs to appear in the first pages. And this is the hard part, because a lot of you give up when they not get sales. And I already upload videos about how you can find ideas and designs sold only after a few hours, and also I give you the best ways to find tags with free, easy and fast methods. So just keep working in discipline every day and try to do the things I mentioned in this video to increase your trust score and make more sales. Print and demand business need time and daily work to build trust with customer and the platform you work on it. And I suggest if you want to scale your business and make more sales and more income, you must work in all platforms available at once to increase the chance getting more sales. Because the customers of Cheap Public not the same customers of Amazon, and also the customers of Redbubble different kind of the customers of Spreadshirt. So you must maximize the sales area and target other customers. I know this is a bit tiring, but it's worth it, because if you work on 5 or 7 platforms, you will give yourself more chances to get more sales. But there is a tools can help you to upload on all POD platforms the same designs and title and tags with one click. Currently I use merge automation to do that, and I find it very helpful and help me to gain time and scale my businesses. If you want to try it, I will leave it in the description below. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to enjoy our Facebook group, and you have the freedom to ask anything. I will answer it as quickly as possible. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bells to see my newest videos, and see you in the next video.